Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today's gonna be a quick video. I'm wiring up my Euro headlights for the Fiesta. I already did the driver's side and it looks amazing. I'll show you exactly how I did it. Let's get into it. Okay, so a couple of things you're gonna need to get this going. Obviously, you're gonna need your Euro headlights. I went with LED lights, so I picked up some H7s and H1s. Now for the H1s, you will need some H1 Ford holders, and I'll show you why in a second. And also you're gonna need some PY21W. These are amber turn signals because these Euro headlights do not have the amber reflector. So make sure you get some amber lights. Okay, so first things first, I'm gonna take care of the amber turn signal because it is the easiest light to do. It's gonna come out, there you go. Light here. So next I'm going to do the H7 and the projector. I went with car Rover LEDs. These had really good reviews and they were decently priced. So I'm gonna link everything I have in the description. So this one's pretty straightforward. It just plugs in like you would normally do. It's a bit difficult to show, but there's little notches down here. Just make sure your bulbs square a little bit here. So I'm editing this video and realized that I lost some footage. So it happens. I probably forgot to press record or deleted the file. So basically for the H1, what you need to do is you will need to buy some Ford holders, and I'll link those in the description below. And what's gonna happen is that these H1s will have this little sleeve on the bulb, and you'll see in a minute how we install it, but essentially the holder is what's gonna hold it into place like this. If it can focus, there you go. It's gonna hold it against the housing like that, and then you just need to slide the bulb in. Let me try to show you what the little posts look like. So I'm not sure if this is visible, but there's a post right here, and then there's a post behind the wires there. It's kind of hard to focus, but there's a post right there behind the wire, and the holder is going to be put in between those two and will hold the sleeve in place. So let's get back to it. There's some really great threads on the Fiesta forums, and now unfortunately I don't remember the usernames of those that did the write-ups, but they were a big help, and this is where I got the information. So I found the easiest way is to drop it here. Okay, it's difficult to film, but hopefully this gives you an idea of where it's supposed to go. Once you have that in place, you need to figure out your wiring. So for the red wire, you see the red wire coming in here. I simply pushed it into this little opening here. And then the ground, I just went to this connector on the side, which is there you go. So red goes to red, and then the black, I just stuffed it right here, and it's pretty tight. And then all you need to do is insert the light into the ring that you installed. There you go. Hide all of this in here. Install the cover. The high beam and low beam will work out of the box, but these lights have a very nice LED strip that you can use for your daytime running lights, and I'll show you how to wire those up right now. So all you really need to get this done is to use a little pick. So what you'll do is there's little holes at the bottom here. You're gonna pry out the white part. There you go. So this part is out. So once this is out, what you'll need to do is move this pin, the second one, all the way to the far right. Now you can do it with a pick, but I have this little toolkit to remove connectors, and that's what I'm going to use. I'll link this in the description as well. So I like to place one of the tools at the bottom. There you go. So you just push down and pull on the wire and it should come right out. Now just be careful as you're pulling it out. So now in my case, there's these little blockers. I'm assuming that's just to protect the, to block the circuit. So you need to do the exact same thing if you have these. I've seen photos online where they didn't have any. I'm going to use my pick to sort of push it down because there's nothing, there's nothing to grab in the back. There you go. That should come out like so. I'm going to move that wire into place on the last hole. Push it in. Should hear a little click, and that means it's in place. And then once we're all done, simply replace the white connector and you should be good to go. I try to go out for a ride since it's dark out. I don't think it came out on camera, so I'm not sure if it made the final cut of the video, but these lights work super well. I'm very happy with how they turned out. Shout out to the Fiesta ST forum members that have written some amazing write-ups. Again, I'm gonna put those in the description, so if you need to follow along, you can do so in the forums. Hopefully this has helped some of you. It's so cold in here right now. I can barely move my face. It's so frozen. My nose is all red. But let me know in the comments what you think about these headlights. I would love to hear your feedback, or get your feedback. And yeah, this is where I'm gonna wrap it for today. Still more videos to come. In a couple of days, I have my very first appointment to this for the alignment, and then it's the structural inspection. So stay tuned. Thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next one.